Graph one period of the function. F of x equals 2 cotangent 1/3 x. So I know the basic cotangent function has a period of pi and has an asymptote at 0, another asymptote at pi, and it's decreasing, so it goes downhill, intersects at pi over 2, and then continues on down. Need to find out what transformations are here, and then we can create the graph. So the first thing I notice is this 2 in front. That's a vertical stretch by 2. I see this 1/3 here in front of the x. That means it's a horizontal stretch by 3. So that means instead of a period of pi, there's going to be a period of 3 pi. So that's going to make this all kinds of complicated here. So when you think of dividing the function into thirds. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be creative with the scale. So I'm going to say from here to here is pi. And then 2 more marks is 2 pi. And then 2 more marks is 3 pi. And we'll have an asymptote here at 3 pi. Another asymptote here at the y-axis. All right, that's all we needed to do. Okay, now halfway between 0 and 3 pi is 1/2 pi, or 3/2 pi. So right there, I'm putting a 0 at 3 pi over 2. Okay, now the key point is going to be halfway between the asymptote and the 0. That's going to be right here. And because the vertical stretch by 2, I know it's going to go up 1, 2. So right there. Same type of thinking on the other side. Halfway between the 0 and the asymptote is going to be right here. And then I'm going to go down 2. Now I just need to draw the curve. Now you have 3 points here. It's tempting to just draw a line segment right through there, but that's not how this graph works. It's going to be a curve going up. A curve going down. Okay, and that's probably about as best as I can draw it. Okay, so there's the graph of one period of the function. Found the transformations first, and then use the transformation of the horizontal to find the period of the function, and then found halfway in between for the x-intercept, and then found the key points. And really the key to this graph being so simple was changing the scale on the graphing grid so that it fit the function. In this case, because it was 3 pi, I knew it would have to be divided into thirds. I did 2 grid marks for each pi, and that made the creation of the graph very simple.